All right, so let's talk about this bike seat that was sent to us. So as you can see, it is wider than the typical bike seat that does come with the bike. So it has a lot more space here. And if you could see it this way, it is quite soft. So this one's kind of hard and this is soft. So what we're going to do is actually take off the bike seat that came with the original bike, put on this new one and test it out. We're going to sit on the bike, see how comfortable it is and sort of analyze it. You can see how wide it already is. It's going much wider than the original bike seats that come. It does have this ergonomic feel right here, so that when you're sitting, it is going to be comfortable for especially if you're doing mountain biking and long trails. All right, so this is the seat on the bike and then sit on the bike. All right, so now that the seat is on the bike, how does it feel?
It's definitely more comfortable. It has a smoother feel to it. I feel more stable in it as well, especially if I tilt the bike left or right. Definitely easier ride.